Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how to make a very delicious ofe nsala known as white soup. So I'll be using uziza leaves, Adam fruit, stock cube, ogiri, mixture of uziza seeds and ehuru is blended, crayfish, salt. Also, we'll be using combination of red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper. It's already blended, roughly blended rather. Next, I have my stock fish already washed. As we proceed, you will also see other ingredients. In a clean pot, I have some goat's beef, some chicken, cow tribes. I always like adding the stockfish early. Next, I'm going to season with some peppers, chopped onions, salt, and stock cube. I'm using beef stock cube. Then I give it a gentle stir, cover and allow to cook with its own juice. Next, I'm going to prepare the yam. You can also use sweet potatoes, cocoyam, and thickener, but in this recipe, I'm using yam. I'm back to check on the meat and it's been steam cooking now for 15 minutes. I will give it a gentle stir. Add enough water to cook the meat. At this point, you can add the yams to cook together with the meat. You can also cook it separately, but to save time, I'm cooking together with the meat. The next ingredient I'm going to use is some smoked mala fish. I've already cleaned it. Next, I'm going to check what is going on in the pot. At this point, the yams are ready and I'll take them out. Guys, if you've watched up to this moment, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please, your subscription and likes will take me far. Thank you. The meats are not done. I'll add some water and cover and allow it to continue to cook. Transfer the yams into a blender and blend. You can use a mortar to pound the yam as well. Next, I'm going to go in with the Edam fruits, blended uziza seeds and ehuru, stock cubes, salt, crayfish, ogiri. Give it a gentle stir. Next, I'll be adding the fish. I'll cover and allow them to cook nicely until the yams are well dissolved. It's been cooking now for some time, and at this point the yams are well dissolved. I'll go with some pepper. I like adding peppers at this time because it makes my soup look colorful. Then I will remove the Edam fruit and save it for another recipe. Then give it a gentle stir. At this point, I'm going to add some uziza leaves and allow to cook. Uziza to me is a herbs and should be allowed to release all its natural flavors in the pot. Cover and bring to a boil. 7 minutes later, guys, as soon as I opened that pot, the aroma that filled my kitchen was nose blinding. At this point, our soup is ready. Turn off the heat and serve with any carbohydrates of your choice. Thank you for staying tuned and see you in our next video. I love you.